In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a football match poster in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to pick a strong starting design and personalize it so it looks polished, on brand, and ready to promote your game. All you need is access to Canva and a few match details like team names, date, time, and venue. Start on the Canva homepage and click on Templates. This takes you to Canva's massive library of ready-made designs. Opening templates first gives you a focused view of professionally laid out options, which is perfect when you want a head start and don't want to design everything from scratch. If you already see poster as a category, that's ideal for this project. In the search bar on the templates page, type football match poster. This will narrow the results to layouts designed specifically for sports events. If your region uses soccer, you can try that term too, but football match poster usually pulls the right styles. Give the page a second to load so you can see a good variety of color schemes, photo-heavy designs, and bold typographic options. Take a moment to browse through the template results. Look for a layout that matches the mood of your event: energetic, gritty, modern, or classic. Check how the headline stands out, where the date and time sit, and whether there's room for logos and sponsor marks. You can hover to see if a template is free or requires a pro plan. Choose readability first. Your core info should be unmistakable at a glance. When you find a favorite, click on Customize this template. That opens the design inside the Canva editor with all elements ready to adjust. You'll see text boxes, images, colors, and effects all organized on the canvas and in the Layers panel. Now you can edit the template. Double-click the headline to enter the match title or team names, then update the date, kickoff time, and location. Keep the most important info largest and boldest. If you need different fonts, pick two at most, one for headlines and one for details, to maintain a clean hierarchy. Adjust colors to match team palettes using the color picker. Stay consistent so the poster feels unified. Replace any placeholder image by selecting it and choosing Replace, or upload your own action photo and logos. Use position and alignment guides to center elements and keep spacing even. If you add effects like shadows or gradients, apply them sparingly so text stays crisp. Finally, zoom out to see the whole poster and check contrast. Dark text on light backgrounds, or vice versa, improves legibility, especially from a distance. And that's it. Click Templates. Search football match poster, browse, customize, and edit. You now have a strong, personalized match poster ready to turn heads.